have the Brown Facial Epilator. Should you buy this or not? Let's find out in this video. In this box, there is an epilator, a deep pore cleansing brush, and a cleaning brush. It cost 4,299 and I paid 3,224 on Nika. This is battery operated, so you don't have to charge it while or before using it, which is a good thing. You can turn it on by sliding this to the left or right. The epilator head rotates in two directions. If you turn it to the right, it will move right. And if you turn it to the left, it will go left. You can use it based on the direction of hair growth and your level of comfort. This is the battery compartment. You can use this brush to open it and replace the battery. Now let's see how to use it. Make sure your face is clean and dry. When you first use it on less sensitive areas like chin so that you can understand your pain threshold. Stretch the area you want to epilate and hold the epilator against the skin. You just have to keep moving it and it will remove the hair. You don't need to press it hard on the skin. I don't feel much pain as my skin is used to it and also I have fine hair. You can epilate all over the face but you can use it to shape the eyebrows. Once done, wash your face and apply moisturizer. Make sure to clean the epilator head after every use. You can also detach the head to clean it thoroughly. Now let's come to the cleaning brush. You can remove this epilator head and attach this brush. We can turn it on the same way we did for the epilator head. Just slide this button. First, wet your face with water. You can apply face wash to your face or to this brush. Then massage your face for about 1 minute. Once done, wash your face with water as usual. Make sure to clean this device after every use. You can detach the brush. There is a switch. If you press it, it will detach the brush and you can clean it separately and leave it to dry. Honestly, I have never used this brush on my face. That's why I showed it on my hand. Now let's talk about my overall experience. To me, the epilator felt similar to threading. The pain is slightly less than threading, but it is much better than waxing. For the upper lip, it is okay, but for the entire face, it is a bit painful, especially these areas. The hair indeed gets removed from the root and it grows back in about 2 to 4 weeks. After 1 to 2 weeks, the hair start to come back a little bit. So it's not like you get completely hair free for 2 to 4 weeks. Hair does come back within a week itself, and if you epilate every week it will reduce the pain and it will be easy to epilate. The shorter the hair, the better. You will not feel much pain, but if the hair is long and thick, it can be painful. Since it removes hair from the roots, there are chances of rashes, bumps and ingrowns. So if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, this will not be a good choice. I would say it is much better option than threading or waxing because you can just do it yourself. I have only used this trimmer a few times because it was very uncomfortable for me in these areas, and I had to use the trimmer afterward to remove this hair. So I just stopped using this as the trimmer does the same job and it is more convenient. I have already reviewed my experience with the trimmer on my channel. Go check it out. And about the cleaning brush, it is gentle on the skin. It's not very harsh, but I don't use it on my face because I don't like physical scrubbing on my face. Honestly, this product is now just sitting in the corner of my shelf. So based on my experience, I won't recommend it much, but if you really wanna give it a try, yes, you can. I'll see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe.